Today, I am mixing together every single Peachy Baby slime that currently exists. Always wanted to do this. Let's go over into the warehouse and grab every single slime that we can find. These are our slime shelves. This is where every single slime that we have is. Let's go grab all of them. Whew. It's taking longer than I expected. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go back. Here we have it, every single Peachy Baby slime, and that was like going on a shopping spree. Before I worked at Peachy Babies, I literally had dreams about doing exactly what I just did. Here before me, I have 32 premium Peachy Babies slimes. When Andrea told me that she wanted me to do this video, I was honestly so excited to go through all of these slimes and tell you guys little stories and like the behind the scenes of all these slimes. This first one, our #1 most classic Peachy Baby slime probably ever, Lavender Cow. Smells so good. I'm just gonna plop them all in here, and then at the end, when they're all in there, I'm gonna mix them all together at the same time. This next one we have here is Outer Space Crunch. I think it was designed before I started working here. This is a microfloam, and if you've never felt a microfloam before, oh my goodness, this is just the weirdest but coolest texture ever. Put it in there. Next, Magic Boba. This is our first one that we get to assemble ourselves. I love it when it is a DIY kit, which means that you get all these little things that come in your box and you get to put it together yourself. Pretty sure Andrea designed it, had the little sprinkles. This one's designed to have a marbling effect. You take the little syrup and you marble it all together with this clear slime, and it makes it look magical. Dreamland Gummy. This one is super cute. This one, I do have a story behind it because Andrea came up with the idea for this one, and I tried to make the mock-up because I wanted to like design the slime for her. She didn't like my design. This honestly turned out so much cuter than the one that I designed. In the end, I'm happy with the result. #4. Watermelon juice float. I made this one, kind of. Story behind this one is that I've been trying to make a watermelon slime for literally like 3 months, and finally I designed it, and Andrea came up with the idea. Watermelon juice float. Smells like watermelon, looks like juice. Blueberry Cow has a very special place in my heart because when I got hired at Peachy Babies, little known fact, I was a fan of Peachy Babies before I got hired here, and when I came in, they gave me a Blueberry Cow, and I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I have my own Peachy Baby slime. So every time I see Blueberry Cow, I'm like, this is my rite of passage. So it's only right for him to be in there. Dragon Fruit Candy. Did not design this one. Smells super interesting though. Look at how cute the charms are. Wow, it's got little cute glitter on top. I love this one. Look at that, that's like this cool marbling effect again with the white and the pink mixing together with each other. Great ASMR, listen. You gotta love a snow fizz slime for having the best ASMR. Baby Axolotl, arguably our best-selling slime. Kind of smells like the dragon fruit one. Again, snow fizz. This one's just so cool. I don't know. This is just a plain pink snow fizz slime, but it's like just so cute. I think that's what it is. I think that's what people love about it. Baby Axolotl. This is exciting because there are slimes in here that I've never actually played with or smelled before. The smell is a part that I am not super involved in. This is a slime that I've never played with, Moon Magic. It's a clay kit, but I'm not gonna add the clay to the bottom because I want the clay to sit on top. So I'm just gonna add it to the pile very slowly. This is giving me flashbacks to the slime pool. Comment if you remember the slime pool. No, I didn't mean to say that. This is the clay that goes with the Moon Magic clay kit. I'm excited to add this later, but not yet. He's gonna live over there until it's time for us to call on him. DeStress Dough, another just undeniable favorite. This one is one that I've given to a lot of people. Every time someone's like, oh my gosh, you work at a slime factory? Can you give me some slime? I'm like, yes, I can get you slime, but you have to be okay with it being DeStress Dough and pretty much nothing else, just because this is such a good beginner slime. You know, sometimes if you're playing with a clear slime or a Bingsu, you need to play with it in a certain way so that it doesn't get sticky or tacky or whatever. This one doesn't have that problem. So if you're looking for a great beginner slime, I would suggest DeStress Dough. Also, it legitimately de-stresses you. I've heard it from at least 3 people. Time for him to join his family. Ocean Buddies. This one smells so good. It like smells like the ocean. This is like saltwater taffy. It's got little sparkles in it that make it look like the ocean is glittering under the sun. It smells like summer. 10 out of 10 slime, honestly. I do have a story behind this one. This is Honey Cube Squish. It is a jelly cube squishy poppy slime. If you've never played with a jelly cube slime and you love ASMR, it is the slime for you. You need to get one. When I was getting hired for Peachy Babies, I came into the warehouse, I had a tour, I worked a day, and I was like, this is my absolute dream job. I went home and I was like, I just love Peachy Babies so much and I don't think I'm gonna get this job. So I went onto their website for the drop and I bought this slime and I was like, this is gonna commemorate me working at Peachy Babies for the day. And then I found out the next day that I got hired. It's a very special place in my heart, just like Blueberry Cow. It's also super pretty. Lavender Crush. This one's cool because it's a bingsu and a jelly cube. But because it's both, it has like an extra layer of ASMR value added to it because it's got the crunch from the bingsu and also the pops from the jelly cubes. It's such a good idea. I wish I had thought of this one. It also looks so cool. If you're a Taylor Swift fan and you don't have this, what are you doing? Next, we have Cherry Bomb. My favorite thing about this one is the label. I think the label is super like retro and cute. The smell is also great. This is a bingsu and also a cloud, I think. It could be a cloud dough. A lot of the times I cannot tell the difference between cloud and cloud dough. There is a difference and a lot of people can tell what it is, but I can't. I'm gonna resist the urge to mix this up right now. I'm just gonna drop it in. Proud of myself. Dust bunnies. So Andrea was trying to think of slime ideas. I gave her the idea of dust bunnies. She loved the idea, but she was like, nobody's ever gonna buy this. So she put it in her series of like slimes that we made at Peachybbies. She's not gonna sell them because you couldn't sell it because dust bunny is kind of gross. People on that video exploded. They were like, we want dust bunnies now, give it to us. So I didn't design it, but I did create the first original idea of it. But add that there. These are the little bunnies. They're so cute because if you look really close on them, they have fur on them, which I've never seen before. I don't know what this stuff is called. It legitimately makes them look like they're little fuzzy bunnies, which is the cutest thing ever. But we're gonna set it off to the side and add it to the top later. Butterfly Milky candy. Allegedly, Dan thought of the idea and Andrea created it. I have mixed this one together so many times, so I'm going to just place it in there. Blue raspberry lemonade. Don't know the story behind this one. Smells great, 10 out of 10. Next, Dreamland Rock Candy. Classic bingsu. This is 3 slimes together in one container. I'm like mesmerized. It's got tiny little teddy bears on it. That's so cute. There you go, buddy. Froggy Cubes. Oh my goodness, who made this one? It's so good. I designed this one. Yes, I'm very proud of that. If you've ever seen our very famous previous bestseller Froggy Pond, I also made that one. And this one is our non-clay kit version of that slime kind of, but with a pink frog instead of a green frog. Little fun fact for you. This is a Erin original, kind of. Andrea actually came up with the name. I designed this slime. Dino Party. I'm pretty sure that Andrea made this one for Anna because Anna loves dinosaurs. There's a video on the main account about Andrea surprising Anna with this slime and Anna was over the moon. Super cute. Looks like a pancake now. Let me see if I can put it in there like a frisbee. Fun fact about Erin, I actually broke my nose twice playing frisbee golf. Still pretty good at it. This next one is Party on Venus. I did not make this one, but I know who did. Anna! Anna, would you like the honors of adding your slime that you created into the slime smoothie?
Of course!
And give us a little background on it if you have it.
I used to party on Venus back in the day with my friends, so I wanted to make a slime inspired by those really fun parties on Venus.
That's not really what I was expecting her to say there. She's traveled more than I thought she had. This is the one that I legitimately always have in my purse. If you've never felt this one, you should get it because it's unlike any Peachybbies slime. It's called a fluffy slime, I believe. It's like actual jiggly pancakes. And it's super cute because it comes with this little syrup on top, which looks just like syrup. This slime, definitely top 5 for me. And I'm so glad that it's still in the shop, but get it while you can because it might not be for long. Next, we have Sour Gummy Bears and Sour Gummy Fluff. This is a super cool idea that Andrea had to have a clay kit version of a slime and then a normal slime version because the clay kits are a little bit nicer, a little bit more expensive. So if you really love the concept of this slime, you can get the cheaper version, which is so inclusive of her. They are 2 different slimes, but they are very similar in concept. This one, actually, all these little charms on top there, I picked them out and designed them for this slime. Very proud of that. This one doesn't have any sprinkles on it because it's in the box with the bears, which you don't get to see yet. You can see it later. This is Mooncake. I'm guessing Anna probably knows a lot more about this than I do because the moon is probably up there and somewhere that she's partied, but I don't actually know anything about this slime, so I'm just gonna set him there and he will join the colony. This is Pastel Cloud Bears. I made this one. I'm excited to show you guys this one. I love this one. It's so cute. I was inspired by this picture that Andrea sent me. It was like a cartoon. I don't know where it came from, kind of like Mary Englebright a little bit, but that picture reminded me of my childhood bedroom. And I was like, that's so sweet. I want to make a slime inspired by what my childhood bedroom looked like. So this is like very near and dear to me. I love this slime. I hope you guys also love this slime. Very proud of that one. This is Honeybee Frost. Don't know anything about this one, but I feel like it's time for me to mix one together. We have a lot of bee and honey themed slimes. This one is kind of different though. I feel like they're usually clear slimes or clay kits. This one's like soft and pink. Smells exactly like honey. What a nice little slime. Butterfly Kisses. This one is one of our newest slimes. So summery, so adorable, so cute. I want to get this slime filled up, so I'm not going to talk too much about Butterfly Kisses. Buy it and see for yourself. Fantasy Planet Ice Cream. I also designed this one. I'm very proud of it. I say that about all the ones that I've designed, but I've never designed a slime that I wasn't proud of, so it's true every time. I don't know where the idea from it came from, but I made it and it's cute. And there it goes. This one, key lime pie. Guess who designed this one? I came up with the idea for it too, which is very cool. But honestly, it kind of makes me hungry. I designed this slime because I love key lime pie. So if you're out there, you love key lime pie, let me know in the comments. We need to stick together, us key lime pie lovers. Anna also loves it, so. Every time I do this, Andrea makes fun of me for making the whipped cream look ugly because I would just like swirl it around. But this is insider information. This is how Andrea told me you're supposed to do it. You make it into a little line and then you make it into like a Dairy Queen looking circle. It still doesn't look very good. That looks worse, honestly. That looks so bad. But Andrea's good at it. And if you go look at the product photos of this slime, you'll see what I'm talking about. But this one's cool because it's got a crust on the bottom. Who could have thought of such an amazing idea to add crust to the bottom of a slime? Northern Lights Frost. This one's so beautiful. So it would be wrong for me to not mix it together on camera for you guys. And I love the Northern Lights. Ooh, and it smells so good too. I don't remember it smelling like that, but I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like a faint, really nice cologne. We have all of these slimes in here. Look at that. Look at how cool that looks. I'm so glad that I got to do this video. Now it's time to add the toppings. And that is our final product. This is a mashup of every single amazing Peachy Baby slime in one. So I'm assuming mixing this together is going to be the best experience in my life. I'm gonna start squishing the clays up a bit. Just kidding. I need to stand up for this so that I can have full range of motion to mix this together. Oh, okay. Oh, it feels so weird. I can feel every different texture on my hand right now. Whoa! Look at that, it's snowing slime. Oh, this is so cool. For having all those different weird smells in there mixed together, it smells surprisingly good. Whoa, look at that blue coming out. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is like a culmination of everything good about Peachy Babies. Look at how cool that looks. Oh my goodness. This is like inspiring me to make a new slime that looks like this by default. I wonder what the finished product's gonna look like. I feel like when you mix a bunch of crazy colors together, it turns brown. Maybe this will be like a cool rainbow. I could do this forever. Look at all the different layers. There we go. This is the most colorful thing I have ever seen. After I finish this video, I'm gonna put it in the graveyard so that obviously we can keep it and reuse it in the future. I just wanna see if anybody can figure out where it's from. I have done a lot of weird things at Peachy Babies with slime. Never have I felt such a weird texture before. It's so soft and also crunchy. I expected it to be so ugly, but this is like still gorgeous. It's like a purpley gray, which is still colorful. And all of these objects look like space in a cartoon. This is what space in a cartoon looks like. Well, if you've ever wondered what every single Peachy Baby slime mixed together looks like, now you know. It is better than I ever could have expected. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.